Hey and welcome to Alpha One. In this video we are going to talk about Forex and an indicator I'm giving completely for free to you. You find link below the video or in the top right corner right now you will see a download link. So you can download this indicator and get started today. So first I will explain how this indicator works, how you're going to use it, and also you will see my result for this week. I've been using it for 3 days basically. So when you're going to take the trades, let's first take chart and remove the auto scroll. So when you see these big dots under here, first of all you need these dots. Second of all you need a cross down here. So when you see the red cross over to green, then it's a trade. Here, for example, you have in the top side a cross from green to red, but you have no dots. That means you're not going to take a trade here. But the way this works, when you do enter a trade, like here, when you get the big ball, is the big one you want to trade on, you enter the trade here and you will close it when you cross above the 70 line. So you will not close it on this one, but you will close it on the one that is above. So you would have closed it here. So that would be a nice profit trade. Once again here you would have opened a trade here. Seems bad, right? But you will open here, but you would open it again down here, because here you see also you have a big ball. So you will open it on this one and you would have closed it up in this one up here. That means the first trade would have gone in zero, but the second trade would have made you a lot of profit. So you can do this over and over again. Here you have a big ball, you open the trade here and you close it on when you go from green to red here, you will close it all the way up here. Super nice, sweet profit. Once again, I'll show one more time. Here you have a big ball here, you open the trade here and you close it here. So this indicator, it's amazing. Like I said, I have been running it now for 3 days. I did some mistakes because basically I'm following, and sometimes in night I figure out, I want to go to sleep and I don't want to have a trade open because maybe I can get a closing while I sleep and get a bad entry. So then I just close it. So I have learned that I do max 1-2 trades a day, and I do them when I wake up in the morning. I just go to the list of pairs till I find one that have a trade and I enter. So, for example, if you wake up and you see here, you would have entered here, right? And you wake up, let's say 30 minutes later, you can enter a trade here because the trade is active till you get closed. And you came in actually a little better here, so you can open. But if you wake up on this bar, don't take it, because then you're entering in the worse position than the opening. So then look for another pair, okay? So now let's go into to see what I have done this week. So you can see I started with $100 and you can see we are made $25. And you think $25, that's nothing, but remember I started with $100. That means I have in 3 days grown the account with 25%. That's pretty amazing. 25% in 3 days. Check what you can get in your saving account for rent for a year. You will not, maybe you get 5-6% a year. Here I earn 25% in 3 days, just following an easy indicator to use. So let's look at the trades that have been done. We go here. Here is all the trades I have done this week. So you can see we started with a GBP USD, we made almost $6. Then I did a mistake, I just closed it right away with a small profit. Then the trade I talked about, that was in night, I did just close it in minus $1. If I have kept it open, we can go back here. It was basically the trade you see up here. I could have closed it on here and made a very nice profit. So basically that could be a winning trade also. But I just did not want to keep it open because it was a night. But by the way, one minus trade. Then we had the profit trade, $3, $7, 47 cents. One I did the mistake, but I closed it right away in zero. $3, 121 cents, one mistake again, and $7 almost today. The last trade I did today is the one you see here. I did open the trade down here, and I opened the one here. This one did go in zero, and this one made the profit because I open on every big ball, because then I get a good average, and I close it only here, so I closed it on this one here. So like I said, the first did go in zero, but the second trade made the money. So that's how we use this indicator. So you can see, actually it was not a mistake, this one. This was one that I did first enter, is this one that go almost in zero, and this one made the money. So how amazing is this indicator? So I give this completely for free. Again, you find link below the video. So with that, have a perfect day.